In this video, we use conditional formatting to highlight an entire row in a table based on the value of one cell. This approach will work whether your data is in a table or a range. For this example, we are going to highlight any rows in the table where the transaction type column says return. To begin, select an entire row. I'm going to select a row that contains the word return as my transaction type so that I can see right away that my conditional formatting is working. Next, choose the Home tab on the ribbon and then go to the Styles section and click on the conditional formatting icon. In the menu that appears, go to the bottom and choose New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, you can go to the bottom of the top section where it says Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Next, I'm going to click and edit the rule description in the box that says Format Values where this formula is true. My formula starts with an equal sign, and then I want to use the cell address of my return, or my word return, so that would be E10. However, I'm planning on copying this up and down throughout my table, so I want to make sure that it always looks at column E no matter what row it's on. I'm going to put a $sign in front of the E, which will lock the formula to column E even if it's copied. So now it says equal to $sign E10 is equal to, and then quote, the word return, close quote. That will give me the formula that I need for every cell in this row to look at column E to see if the word return is there. Before I finish, I need to set a format for when this is true. So I'm going to click the Format button here on the right. Next, I'm going to choose the Fill tab, and then I'm just going to use a bright yellow fill, which will highlight that row. I'll click OK, and then I'll click OK. Because the word return is in this row, all of the cells are highlighted. If I change it to sale, they unhighlight. When I type return, it re-highlights. So it's working exactly the way I want it to. What I need to do now is put this format across the entire table. So I'm going to select the whole row. I'm going to click my Format Painter, and then I'm going to select the whole table. And notice that right away this other row that had return in it highlighted as well.